Tired of clicking around Pipedrive in a language you don't understand? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to switch it to your language. First, we'll open Settings, then find the Language dropdown, and finally select your language. Let's go. So let's start with Pipedrive already open in front of you. I'm assuming you're logged in and ready to go. The key here is that we need to get to your personal account settings, because that's where the language lives. It's not buried in some deep admin panel, I promise. Now, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a small circle with either your initials or your profile picture. That's your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is the same spot you'd use to log out or change your photo, so it's probably already familiar. From the drop-down that appears, choose the option that says Personal Preferences. I've done this hundreds of times, and trust me, this is the most direct path. Some people try to find language settings in the company admin area, but that's for things like permissions and billing. For a personal change like this, it's always here. Give it a moment to load. The page might take a second or two depending on your connection, so just hang tight. You'll see a full page of settings appear with several sections on the left-hand side. It's usually near the top of the list, but you might have to scroll just a little bit. While you're scrolling, you'll notice all sorts of other settings, like notifications and email sync, but we're not touching any of those today. Just keep going until you land on General. Under the General section, find the field that says Language. It should be right there alongside things like time zone and date format. Pipedrive groups these together because they're all about how the interface looks and behaves for you personally. Now, click the drop-down arrow next to the language field. This will open up a list of all the languages Pipedrive supports. Take a moment to see what's available. I've tested this on several accounts, and there are usually around 20 or more options. You'll see everything from English and Spanish to French, German, Portuguese, Japanese, and many more. Some less common languages might be listed under their native names, so keep an eye out for that. Click your language from the list. Once you make your selection, Pipedrive will automatically start applying the change. You might see a brief loading spinner or a slight flicker as the interface refreshes. That's completely normal. Pipedrive will now apply the change across the entire system. This can take a few seconds, especially if you have other tabs or windows open. During this time, don't click away or reload the page. Just let it finish its work. Check that everything is now in your language. Look at the main navigation, the buttons, the labels, even the help text. If you chose Spanish, for example, you should see words like ventas and contactos instead of deals and contacts. Go ahead and browse around a bit to make sure it all looks right. I always like to click into a deal or a contact just to confirm the change stuck everywhere. You're all set. Pipedrive is now displayed in your selected language, making it much easier to navigate and manage your CRM activities. No more guessing what a button does or wasting time translating menus in your head. That frustration is gone, and that's really all there is to it. If you ever need to switch back or try a different language, you now know exactly where to go. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!